Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken biryani. First, gather your ingredients, including about 1 kilogram of chicken, 2 cups of basmati rice, and your favorite biryani spices. Combine the chicken with plain yogurt, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 2 tablespoons of biryani masala. Mix well and let it marinate for a minimum of 2 hours, or even overnight for deeper flavor. Next, soak your basmati rice for 30 minutes, then parboil it with whole spices like bay leaves and cardamom until it's about 70% cooked. Drain it thoroughly. In a separate large pot, sauté 3 large sliced onions until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Add the marinated chicken and cook it down until it forms a rich, aromatic gravy, ensuring the chicken is tender. Now it's time for layering. In a heavy-bottomed pot, spread half of the parboiled rice over the chicken gravy. Garnish with some fried onions, fresh mint, and cilantro. Add the remaining rice, then more fried onions, a drizzle of 2 tablespoons of ghee, and a pinch of saffron milk. Seal the pot tightly and cook on low heat for 20 to 25 minutes for the dum cooking. Once the dum cooking is complete, gently open the pot and fluff the biryani, mixing the flavorful chicken and rice layers. Garnish with extra fresh cilantro and serve your delicious chicken biryani hot with a side of cool raita or a crisp salad. It's a truly satisfying meal. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.